very important to know your priority standing, because especially in that crucial moment, now White can actually hold on to his priority just to keep his position, but Yellow now looking for a 4.75 up and riding, and let's see if the judges would like his wave and gets the score. With that body language, Carl, it doesn't look like he's gonna get that score. What do you think, man?
Yeah, with that early kick out, I don't think that's gonna get his 4.75, but he still has a little bit of time left with 2 minutes and 20 remaining.
Surfer in Yellow having the third priority, Surfer in White still in first priority, and then followed by Surfer in Red. Next heat is coming up next. You guys can paddle out now. Just make sure you're not in the way of this heat. 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes remaining.
Scores are in right now with a score of 8.8 total. Red, you are in current